Hello, my name is Jessica and I'll be doing experiment 9 and I'll be demonstrating how to do a analyte solution. So as you can see here, this is a drawing of everything that we'll be using in the experiment. This is a we're going to be using a titration flask. This is a clamp for the burette, and as you can tell, this is the burette, and then this is the funnel that adds the titration solution of 0.1 millimeters, and we have to fill that up to the brim, and then we have to add the solution. Potassium hydrate in about potassium hydrate about 0.3 kilograms into the titration flask, and then we're going to add the indicator, about 2 or 3 drops of the indicator into the flask also. So we're also going to be using this cup to demonstrate the stirring of this experiment. So we're going to have one hand on the titration flask, and we're going to have one hand on the cock stop. And the reason we do that is because we want to be able to stir the solution as we put the titration into the flask. So, and then we have our hand on the cock stop at all times, so we can control how much titration goes in it. So we're gonna start that now, and we're gonna turn the cock stop, and then we're going to stir. And we stir until we get a color in the solution. Stirring and stop, and then start as needed. And once you get to the end, when you think you see more of a color, we kind of slow it down on the how much titration goes in it, and the indicator to stop. Sorry, but I forgot to mention this, but this represents the before the end point for the experiment. So how we know to stop is if when the solution is a light pink, and if it goes over being a light pink, if it becomes a darker pink, then you know that you've overshot it and you need to restart the experiment. But the experiment should be this color pink, like a light pink, and you should ultimately observe the flask and record your results and everything. And that's the end of my experiment. Thank you.